2 soldiers arrested on firearm charges.
JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang, 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 connect!
The police are reporting that a file is being prepared to be sent to the Director of Public Prosecutions for a ruling into a shooting incident involving 2 members of the Jamaica Defense Force on Lammy Lane in Salt Springs, St. James on Monday, March 12. The police said that they have received reports of loud explosions coming from the area at about 9:10 p.m. and went to investigate. According to the police, on arrival, 4 people were seen. 2 men and 2 women. Lord Jesus, what the Souji them a deal with? The premises was searched and several 9mm spent casings were observed on the ground. A black 9mm GLOCK pistol with a magazine containing 1 9mm round was found on top of furniture in a section of the house, while one of the men handed over a black GLOCK case to the officers. The case contained 2 holsters, a GLOCK magazine with 15 9mm cartridges, a Remington box containing 8 9mm cartridges, and cleaning implements, the police said. According to the police, inquiries were made about the firearm and they were told that the firearm belonged to a licensed firearm holder who is presently overseas. However, no documents were presented. The 2 men were subsequently arrested. But I don't understand what's going on here. So police get a call say explosion are going. When them check it out, 2 soldiers and 2 women there. So what did I go on another house there? The man them about a shot. 2 men and 2 women. That seems suspicious to me. Me no know. Let me know what you thinking in the comments, cause to all the thing them are going with the Souji them right now, this sound too familiar. You see me? Too familiar, brother. But let me know what you thinking in the comments. What you think them in doing in that house there? Why someone shot the daft bus? And then when them go around there, are 2 Souji and 2 women. You see me? Well, the good thing is, it never happened at Portmore this time at St. James. But let me know what you thinking in the comments. What you think the Souji them in do with them 2 ladies there in the house? For make them a bus shot, so you feel say somebody them catch them with again? Like, comment and subscribe, share the video. I'm out.